For over 80 years, Dielectric has stood at the forefront of broadcast innovation. From our humble beginnings in 1942 during the early wartime broadcasts through the golden age of television to today's cutting-edge digital systems, we've engineered solutions that stand the test of time. From our home on the coast of Maine, we've built a global reputation. We power 85% of America's television markets and serve broadcasters in more than 80 countries. But we don't just build products. We craft custom solutions for your specific challenges. What sets us apart isn't just our experience, it's our relentless drive to innovate. Where tradition meets technology, you'll find Dielectric leading the way, just as we're doing now with our revolutionary approach to FM broadcast technology. What if you could achieve superior filter performance using half the space? That's the breakthrough we deliver with the reconfigurable Manifold combiner. As the company powering 85% of television broadcasting across America, we've applied our engineering expertise to solve the most pressing FM technology challenges. The result is a patented system that's quickly transforming the industry standard. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how Dielectric's approach delivers unmatched flexibility and efficiency. For broadcasters who demand both performance and value, let's walk through how far this technology has come. We'll start where every great system begins, with exceptional components. Our filters aren't just built, they're engineered for real-world performance. Technicians fine-tune each filter with remarkable precision. That's loop-coupled design in action, allowing adjustments to the passband, rejection, and VSWR without ever reaching for a screwdriver to disassemble the unit. It's a stark contrast to what you've experienced with traditional designs. We invest in materials that stand the test of time, even in challenging environments. And because we understand that every installation is unique, our design adapts to your space, not the other way around. This flexibility is something your engineers will appreciate from day one. Next, these finely calibrated filters come together to create a system that's truly greater than the sum of its parts. Here's where decades of engineering experience pays off. What you're watching is the assembly of a system that's already been optimized through advanced electromagnetic simulation. Remember the weeks of trial and error that traditional Manifold combiner installations require? We've eliminated that entirely. Every line length is precisely calculated before a single component is manufactured, a breakthrough that transforms what's possible with Manifold technology. The secret is in making the Manifold spline an integral part of the circuit itself. It's a subtle difference that yields remarkable results. This system requires less than half the space of a comparable CIF combiner. That's space you can use for other critical equipment or simply to create a more accessible work environment. And because the pre-engineering is so precise, floor tuning becomes a quick verification rather than a lengthy process. The result? Faster installation, lower labor costs, and quicker time to broadcast. But the real breakthrough is in what happens after installation, the operational flexibility that sets this system apart. Here's where conventional wisdom gets turned on its head. Traditionally, Manifold technology came with a significant trade-off, compactness at the expense of flexibility. We refused to accept that limitation. Instead, our engineers worked to remove a single filter from the system and add a short to the spline. Here's what doesn't change. All other stations continue broadcasting without interruption. It's not magic, it's just meticulous engineering. This capability transforms the entire maintenance approach. When a filter needs attention, you can service it without taking your entire system offline. You can install a spare filter immediately, or the original can be serviced and returned to operation, all while your audience remains connected. Previously, such operational flexibility was only available with large, constant impedance filter systems. Today, welcome to the best of both worlds, compact size with uncompromising flexibility. But what about the future? As your network grows, can your combining system grow with it? Let's put another industry assumption to rest. You can seamlessly add a 6th station to a 5-station manifold, something previously thought impossible without major system overhauls. This isn't a one-off trick, but a fundamental capability of the design. You can do it repeatedly with different frequencies. The spline is designed with an unused port. If a station cannot commit at time of order to being part of the system, we simply add a port to the system as a pre-design. Then, down the road, that station can simply purchase that filter, remove the short on the unused port, and operate into system immediately. This can have a profound impact on your operations. As market opportunities arise, your infrastructure adapts without requiring complete replacement. The cost savings over time are substantial, not just in equipment, but in installation time and reduced downtime. And remember, the system footprint remains unchanged even as you add another station. In facilities where space is at a premium, this advantage alone will be your competitive edge. Other suppliers may continue to claim that Manifold technology can't be easily expanded. We've simply gone ahead and solved the problem. What you've seen today represents a fundamental shift in FM signal combining technology. The dielectric reconfigurable manifold combiner doesn't just improve on existing designs, it reimagines what's possible. When space is at a premium, we deliver half the footprint. When flexibility matters, you get seamless maintenance without downtime. And when growth is on the horizon, your investment remains protected with simple expansion capability. In an industry where reliability and performance are non-negotiable, here's a solution that exceeds expectations on every metric that matters. This is dielectric innovation at work, where cutting-edge engineering meets real-world broadcasting demands. The future of FM combining technology is here, and we're ready to revolutionize your operation today.